Hello, I am Chandrahas Mishra from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In today's lecture, I will discuss about the evaluation of postfix expression, which is one of the applications of the stack. Let's start with the lecture. Before moving, first of all, we should know types of expression, and we already know what is expression. Basically, expression, if we talk about expression, is consist of operator and operand. So here one example is given x plus y. Here x and y are the operands and plus is the operator. So there are three ways to write expression, arithmetic expression. So that is, you can see here 2 plus 3. Here operands are 2 and 3 and plus is the operator. Operator is in between the operands. So this type of notation is known as infix expression. And the second one, you can see 2 3 plus. So here operator is in the last of the operand. So first we put the operands and then we put operator, which will be applied on these operands. So this type of expression is postfix expression. Means this is basically centered on operator. If operator is in between, that is called infix. If operator is last, that is called postfix. And if we put operator before the operands of the expression, this is called prefix expression. So the last one you can see, this is prefix. So basically this is the expression to add two numbers. Okay, so we have just written this in three forms. So the prefix is called Polish notation and postfix is called the reverse Polish notation. So we should know what is the requirement of Polish and reverse Polish notation. Suppose we have been given an infix expression and we have to evaluate this expression. So suppose we have given expression like 2 plus 5 into 3 minus 8 divided by 4 plus 3 to the power 2. This is the symbol used for exponentiation. Minus 4 by 2. Okay. So to evaluate this expression, we need to solve according to Bodmer's rule. For solving this, we have to traverse the whole expression for each operator. Okay, to find out the precedence of the operator, which operator will evaluate first. So in this expression, first we will traverse and then find out which operator is having highest precedence, and that will be evaluated first. After evaluating that, we again traverse to find out the next operator which will be evaluated. So like this, we have to scan the expression many times. So this process can be optimized by using Polish or reverse Polish notations. So in the computer system, for evaluation of the expressions, computer uses such type of expressions. So let us see the evaluation of postfix expression. Basically, whenever the expression is written in postfix form and we are going to evaluate that expression, it will be very cost effective, because we have to traverse the expression only once and then we'll be able to find out the result of that expression. Okay, so here we have 4 3 2 5 multiplication, subtraction, addition. This is the postfix expression given. what we will do, what is the rule that we will follow whenever we encountered or whenever we observe this operand. In that case, we'll just push the symbol onto the stack. So basically, in case of the evaluation, we are using operand stack. So here you can see four. First, we'll start from this point. So here we have observed this 4. This is operand. So we'll push this 4 onto the stack. After that, we'll move to next top. Here we observe 3. Now again, this is operand. So we'll push this 3 onto the stack. Move forward. Again, we observe 2. Again, push onto the stack. Next, we have observed 5 in the expression. Again, this is operand. So push onto the stack. Now, at this point, you can see we have observed asterisk symbol, that is operator. So whenever any operator observed, we have to pop top 2 symbols of the stack, that is, this is 5 and 2. And let's say A equals to 5 and B equals to 2. And after that, we perform B operation A. Operation operator is what? Multiplication. B is 2 and A is 5. So here, this is typing mistake. So what we'll do, we'll write 2 into 5, that is 10, and push this result again onto this stack. So after doing this, we are having, this is the status of the stack. Now again, move forward. We have encountered one operator. Again, we will pop 2 elements from the stack, that is 10, A equals to 10 and B equals to 3. Okay, we have popped 2 elements, B equals to 3, and now we'll perform B operation A. So operator is what? Subtraction. So we'll perform B operation A. So B is 3 and A is 10. So B minus A, that is 3 minus 10 equals to minus 7. Again, we will push back this minus 7 onto the stack. So the status of the stack after this operation is minus 7 and 4. Now move forward, and we have encountered this plus symbol. So what we'll do, again pop 2 symbols, that is minus 7, A equals to minus 7 and B equals to 4 from the stack and perform B operation A. So B is 4 and A is minus 7 and the operator is plus. So 4 plus minus 7, that will result minus 3, and push back that symbol onto the stack and move forward. Now we have encountered this dollar symbol. This is denoting the end marker of this expression, that is ending point of the expression. So what we'll do, we'll just pop the symbol top of the stack, and this is our result. So we have found minus 3, and now minus 3 is the result of our postfix evaluation. So like this, postfix evaluation works. And in this, what amount of time will be required, that will depend on the number of symbols we are having in the expression. So it will be order of n. So it is very cost effective to perform evaluation of the expression using a stack. Now let us see one question that is asked in the GATE examination. So you can see this is the GATE CSE 2007 question. It was asked in the GATE. So here the post expression is given 823. This symbol is used for exponentiation, and after that we have divide symbol, then 2 3 multiplication, then addition, 5 1 multiplication and subtraction. So what is the question asked? The top two elements of stack after the first asterisk symbol encountered. What we have to find out, the top two elements of a stack after the evaluation of first asterisk symbol. So what we'll do, we'll just start solving this problem. We'll take one empty stack. This is empty stack. Okay. Now empty stack. This is what? Empty stack. Okay. And we'll start evaluating this expression one by one. 8 to 3 power divide 2 3 multiplication addition 5 1 multiplication and subtraction. We'll start from here. So first we have observed 8 as the operand, so we'll just push this 8 onto the stack. Okay, again we'll move forward. 2 is the operand, again we will push. 3 is the operand, again we will push. And after that you can see we have observed one operator, that is exponentiation, power operator. So what we'll do, we'll just pop two symbols from the stack, that is a equals to 3 and b equals to 2, and perform operation b operation a. It means 2 to the power 3, so that will be 8, and push back this result onto the stack. So after performing this, what we will have onto the stack, we'll have, we have already popped these 3 and 2, so on the top of the stack is 8, and now we are pushing this 8 again onto the stack. So 8 and 8 are the symbols onto the stack. After that we have encountered this divide symbol. This is again one operator, so what we'll do, we'll just pop two elements from the stack. Let's say a equals to 8 and b equals to 8, and then perform b operation a. That is 8 divided by 8, it will become 1. So after doing this, what we are having onto the stack, on the stack we are having 1. After pushing back this 1, we are having 1 onto the stack. After that we have encountered 2, that is the operand. We push this 2 onto the stack. Again we have observed 3, which is also operand. Will push this 3 onto the stack. And after that you can see we have observed this multiplication symbol, and it is also asked in the question, the first evaluation of first multiplication symbol. So this is the first multiplication symbol, and let us evaluate. So this is operator, will pop top two symbols from the stack. Let's say a equals to 3 and b equals to 2, and perform b operation a, b multiplication a, that is 2 into 3 equals to 6. Now again push back this symbol onto the stack. So after doing this, you can see on the top of the stack it is 1, and we have pushed back this 6 onto the stack. So on the top we have 6. So what is asked in the question, after the evaluation of the first asterisk, what are the top two symbols of the stack? So the top first symbol is 6 and second top is what? 1. So 6 and 1. Now this is the answer. So it is given in the first option, that is A option, 6 1, and this is the correct answer of this question. The stack, we are going to perform postfix evaluation. We are going to use operand stack. So first of all we will have one operand stack, and we'll initialize that, and we will repeat the process until we are not finding the end of the expression, that is a dollar symbol. And for each symbol, what we'll do, we'll check whether that is operand or operator. If the symbol is operand, just push that symbol onto the operand stack and move forward. Whenever we encountered any operator, in that case, pop top two symbol of the stack and perform operation B, operation A, and push back the result onto the stack. And whenever we encountered the last symbol, that is the last symbol of the expression, after that we'll see whether that is the end of the expression or not. When we reach to the end of the expression and we are having some value onto the stack, we just pop that value and return. That will be the result of our expression evaluation. So I hope you have learned postfix evaluation. Thank you.